Hi everyone, it's Laura Milligan from lauramilligan.com. I am super excited to tell you about the release of my B box for August 2021. It features the Reflected in Nature stamp set, um, product, and card kits. It's delivered right to your door. So this is available to anyone, no matter where you are in the United States, and it is for all levels of stampers. The class fee is $35, and let me show you what's included. For this B box, you will get half a pack of the beautiful Beauty of the Earth Designer Series paper. It will be cut 6 inches by 12 inches. Let me show you the back side. It's such gorgeous, beautiful paper and works so well with this Reflected in Nature stamp set. You will also receive a full pack of brushed metallic adhesive back dots and a full bolt of the Early Espresso suede trim ribbon. Really, really pretty. You'll also receive card kits to create 6 cards, 2 each of 3 different designs. Let me just give you a quick peek at those. Really, really cute and fun. And so that's $35. If you need shipping, I ship priority, and that is an additional $8. If you don't have the stamp set and would like to add it to the class fee, it is $20, and that is catalog price. So I am saving you on tax and shipping for that. If you decide to add on the stamp set, I would encourage you to get in touch with me after you make your class reservation, because if you add a little bit more in product, maybe $10 or $11, maybe add on a stamp set or some embellishments or something, ribbon, extra things that you need, an ink pad, you will then qualify for a free celebration reward, because with Stampin' Up! Right now in August, we have our celebration offering going on now. So if you do decide to do that, just email me after you make your registration for the B-Box, and we can get that all straightened away. I hope that you will sign up for this class. Registration ends August 27th. I hope to get the kits, the classes out to you the following week, towards the end of the following week. Let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to stamping with you and creating these cards with you. It is really a beautiful and unique set.